people right now. Let me talk to my people. Let me talk to my people. Oh, hey, hold on. I don't know what's going on. Are they all shy? Are they all shy? What's going on? Hey, who's having a good time at Jumbo West Margaritaville? Make some noise right now. Hey, hold on. I'm looking for the loudest side. People by the bar, make some noise right now. People here to my right, make some noise right now. Here we go. Now, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ladies on stage. And let me tell you something right now. You've never seen these people here. We don't care what you do. We don't care what you do because you're on vacation. The only thing I'm saying is to win the prize. Tell everybody what is your name, where you're from. Sarah from West Virginia. Yes, ma'am. Jay Bird from Maryland, come on, make some noise. What's the name where you're from? Michelle from Pennsylvania. How you doing? We got Ashley from Florida. What's the name where you're from? Patty from Maryland.